Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer USDC from your Tangem wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your stablecoins around securely, you're in the right place. USDC is a popular stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, and with advancements in 2025, transfers are faster and more straightforward than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and connected to your device. Tangem is a secure hardware wallet that keeps your crypto safe from hackers. Open the Tangem app and navigate to your USDC balance. You'll see a list of your assets. Select USDC to view its details. Next, head over to the Bitrue Exchange website or app. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and complete any necessary verification. It's quick and essential for security. Once logged in, go to your Bitrue wallet and find the deposit section. Select USDC as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Now, copy the unique deposit address provided by Bitrue. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Back in your Tangem wallet, initiate a transfer by selecting the Send option for your USDC. Paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees are lower, but always confirm they're reasonable. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction using your Tangem device's security features, like its built-in chip. You'll get a confirmation on screen. Keep an eye on it. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Bitrue account to ensure the USDC has arrived. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, double-check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. Pro tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDC from Tangem to Bitrue. This process keeps your assets secure while giving you flexibility. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.